Hi, this is Chris and welcome to Winemaker TV. Do you like beer? Do you like wine? Do you like cider and you want to learn how to make it yourself? This is the place for you. You are new here, please hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you'll know every time I come out with a new video and a new wine. Today we'll be doing a little experimenting today and making a 1 gallon batch of what I'm going to call Island Breeze. So stay tuned. I'm going to call this an Island Breeze wine today because I was looking through the little frozen food section at my local grocery store, and I saw this. This says a Strawberry Breeze frozen juice concentrate, and of course, most of the juice is not strawberry. It is a cocktail blend of orange, pineapple, apple, grape, and strawberry. So it's not really calling it Strawberry Breeze. So I thought about calling it an Island Breeze. So let me get a little bit. This is a Pinot Grigio I made. And if you want to learn how to make this, I'll put a card up here in the description in the link below. So back to this. So I'm going to do an experiment and making a sweet, like a sipping wine out of this. So let's get started with the ingredients and what you're going to need. Okay, what you're going to need to get started to make my Island Breeze wine, you're going to need 2 pounds of sugar, a gallon of water, 4 cans of this Welch's Strawberry Breeze juice concentrate, some yeast nutrient, package of Red Star Premier Blanc white wine yeast. You're going to need you a airlock. You're going to need a funnel. And of course, try not to knock over your, we'll put some more water in that. You're going to need a 1 gallon fermenting demijohn. So let's get started. Okay, first thing we're going to do, we're going to add this sugar to our demijohn. I just purchased this bigger funnel and it goes in like a breeze. So if you have a choice, get the biggest funnel that will fit your fermenting vessel. And we're going to go ahead and start adding our cans of juice concentrate. That's 1. 3 more to go. And all my vessel and my utensils have been pre-sanitized. So if you need any sanitizing solution or any this yeast nutrient, the description link will be in the description below. You can pick yourself up some and you'll help support my channel. Amazon links, and I'll get a small little commission every time. Even if you don't buy that, whatever you do buy on your normal shopping anyway, just click a link and I can help support this channel. So we've added our juice concentrate. We're going to fill it halfway up with water. All right, halfway up for now. Remove our funnel. Always save your tops. So we're going to add our top. We're going to give this a shake to stir up all this sugar that's on the bottom. Shake it up. So I'm going to continue to shake this up and we'll be right back. Shaking it up does 2 things to your must, because it's a must now, so you must shake it. It's to stir up the sugar, and it's also to get oxygen into your must. So the next step is we're going to add a little bit of yeast nutrient, since this is probably going to have a lot of acid to this. We're going to add a little bit of yeast nutrient to get this yeast kicked off really well. So I added 1 teaspoon of yeast nutrient. Where's my funnel? And we're going to finish topping it off with water. To right at the bottom of the neck. I'm gonna give it a quick swirl again. Get that yeast nutrient shook up in there. All right, starting to look good. And last and final step is adding the yeast. Again, I'm using a Red Star Premier Blanc yeast. And if you need some of this, description will be in the, a link will be in the description below. Add your yeast, and like I said, I'll just pitch it all the way in, just pitch it straight in. I don't ever make a starter. Apply your airlock, and that's it, we're done. So we'll be right back to finish things up. This will take about 7 to 10 days to ferment. The ferment should start in the next 24 hours, 48 hours. You'll start seeing foaming and activity in the airlock when fermentation starts. And I'm going to end fermentation after 2 weeks because I want this a sweet sipping wine. So I want it to be sweeter. So I will add some potassium sorbate to it to kill off the yeast in 2 weeks. And then we're going to bottle it and let it sit for another 2 weeks in the bottle before we enjoy. And if you like this video, this wine, please hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. And please join my Facebook group. A link will be in the description below. And this is Chris with Winemaker TV, and that's all there is today.